Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. No formal statement has been made by Ferrari on the manufacture of the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 idea, hence it remains a work of fiction. However, the following ideas may cross our minds when we envision the outside of the Ferrari Motorhome 2026. Even though it's a motorhome, the design will nonetheless have recognizable Ferrari features like athletic proportions and flowing lines. A lot of attention will be paid to aerodynamics in order to decrease drag and boost efficiency. A sleek and contemporary appearance is provided by the LED headlights and taillights, which have a futuristic and distinctive Ferrari design. Additionally, these lights will be made to increase safety and visibility. Sliding doors that operate automatically. Sporty, lightweight design with large rims. The recognizable Ferrari emblem will be thoughtfully positioned across the façade. Unique exterior color schemes that capture the essence of Ferrari. In order to maximize comfort and space, the interior will be built with an ergonomic arrangement. The driver's cockpit will have advanced digital instruments and easily accessible controls, drawing inspiration from Formula One vehicles. An advanced infotainment system including a high-end audio system and a huge screen. Numerous car functions, including as climate control, entertainment, and navigation, will be managed via a large touchscreen. There will be advanced connectivity options including wireless charging and Wi-Fi hotspot, reliable and quick internet access. A top-notch audio system will deliver a remarkable musical experience. With features like massage, heating, cooling, and electrical adjustment, the seats are made to be as comfortable as possible. Large dining table and leather sofa in the living area. The kitchen is fully furnished with contemporary appliances. King-size bed in a cozy bedroom, opulent bathroom amenities.